But I love Peter's nature in the way that he helps guide you into things in a very gentle and safe way. I'm Daniel Schepisi. Been in the lab for, how long? What are we? May, maybe a year. Method acting's got a stigma out there that people need to detach from and just try it and see if it works for them or not. That'd be my advice. I think it's allowed me to develop a stronger ability to connect to a more truthful emotion. Sort of just sitting in it and allowing it to be more natural, more truthful, without any pressure and more connection to oneself to then actually take that and develop it into a character. Jump in. I mean, that's life. I mean, if you don't like it, stop. But the thing is, because of the preconceptions out there, this is a very different style than what people actually think. So I'd say get in there and try it. See what you can take out of it. If you try it and there's nothing good for you, walk away. You'll still get something out of it. And if you connect with it, fantastic. Do you know what? Funnily enough, there's a lot, right? That's the actor, the journey as an actor. One has to develop a skill set. But what I like about being here is it actually gives me an environment to continuously work so I can get better. So that'd be the biggest thing for me in terms of what I can develop, is just having an environment and a space where I can happily keep working and getting better. Because everything's a problem when you start, and it's just picking away at it all. There's side results in terms of developing a community and just, the psychological aspect about going about acting. Definitely being able to sit in stronger emotion, stronger truths, and starting to feel like one's actually becoming into the role and not just standing there reproducing lines which are disconnected from an actual inner life. And I think that's inner life's the big one that I'm looking at the moment. I think that's the biggest growth I'm getting. I do like it how it helps me connect to myself. Other methods do that as well. And really, they're all intertwined in many ways. But I love Peter's nature in the way that he helps guide you into things in a very gentle and safe way, so that you feel supported to be able to step into things that you wouldn't otherwise do, or may not get access to so freely during using other methods. For someone who wants to be an actual actor and not just have it as a hobby, Peter's great to give you that push to keep working. And it's like any skill set, any job, you have to put the hours behind the wheel to get good at it. And he inspires you and pushes you to do it, where it's very easy to fall into other cycles of training where you just don't do the work, and therefore you don't succeed, don't go anywhere.